Join me as I challenge myself to lower my cholesterol in just 1 week using these simple tips. Managing cholesterol levels is crucial for overall health, and if you're watching this video, chances are you're concerned about your own cholesterol numbers. Perhaps you've been told by your doctor that you need to make some changes, or maybe you're just proactive about taking care of your health. Whatever the reason, I'm glad you're here because today I'm going to share some easy-to-implement tips that can help you lower your cholesterol levels fast. High cholesterol is a serious issue that affects millions of people worldwide, and it's often referred to as a silent killer because it can creep up on you without any noticeable symptoms. The reality is that if left unchecked, high cholesterol can lead to heart disease, stroke, and even heart attack. So it's essential to address high cholesterol quickly. One of the biggest challenges people face is knowing where to start. There's so much conflicting information out there, and it can be overwhelming to make sense of it all. Another challenge is making sustainable lifestyle changes that last. It's easy to get motivated for a week or two, but then fall back into old habits. And let's be honest, many of us struggle with the idea of giving up our favorite foods or finding the time to exercise regularly. Many people also don't realize that high cholesterol can be inherited, and even if you're doing everything right, you may still be at risk. This can be frustrating and feel like the odds are stacked against you. But here's the thing, there is hope. By making a few simple changes, you can significantly reduce your cholesterol levels and take control of your health. It's not about making drastic changes or following a super restrictive diet. It's about making small tweaks that add up over time to make a big difference. So, what are these magic tweaks that can help you lower your cholesterol levels fast? Let's dive in. One of the most effective ways to lower cholesterol is to increase your fiber intake. Fiber helps to remove excess cholesterol from the digestive system, which in turn reduces the amount of cholesterol in the bloodstream. Foods high in fiber include oatmeal, fruits, vegetables, and legumes. Another way to lower cholesterol is to limit your intake of saturated and trans fats. These types of fats can raise cholesterol levels and increase your risk of heart disease. In addition to dietary changes, regular exercise can also help to lower cholesterol levels. Exercise has been shown to raise high-density lipoprotein, or good cholesterol, which can help to remove excess cholesterol from the bloodstream. And it's not about becoming a marathon runner or a gym rat. Even moderate exercise, such as brisk walking, can make a big difference. By incorporating these simple lifestyle changes, you can significantly reduce your cholesterol levels and take control of your health. One of the most impactful tips I want to share with you is the importance of incorporating plant-based proteins into your diet. Plant-based proteins, such as beans, lentils, and tofu, are not only low in saturated fats but are also high in fiber and protein. This makes them an excellent addition to a heart-healthy diet. And the best part is, they're incredibly versatile and can be incorporated into a variety of dishes. By making this one simple change, you can see significant reductions in your cholesterol levels. Incorporating plant-based proteins into your diet can be a game changer for your health. Imagine being able to reverse high cholesterol and take control of your health without sacrificing flavor or nutrition. It's a powerful feeling, and it's within your reach. And don't worry, I'm not suggesting you give up your favorite foods entirely. Moderation is key, and by making a few simple tweaks, you can still enjoy the foods you love while also taking care of your health. In summary, managing cholesterol levels is crucial for overall health, and by making a few simple lifestyle changes, you can significantly reduce your cholesterol levels. Remember, it's not about making drastic changes or following a super restrictive diet. It's about making small tweaks that add up over time to make a big difference. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you can take control of your health and reduce your risk of heart disease. Thanks for watching. If you've struggled with high cholesterol or have any tips to share, please leave a comment below. And if you want to learn more about heart health, be sure to check out my next video where I'll be sharing more tips and tricks for keeping your heart healthy.